Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor for the closing bell this afternoon. We've got a big surprise for you this afternoon. I'll be singing with Sir Paul McCartney. Very, very exciting. Look forward to that in just an hour and 15 minutes. If you want to join me, I'll be singing with Paul McCartney, and it's going to be really cool. And I'm really excited to share that video with you. Okay, let's get straight into our trades right now. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. If you want to see Tony Mallion, there he is. I haven't done your video yet. I will do it right at the end of the show. I didn't get a chance to do it, but I will do it at the end of this show. And we've got some exclusive content for our subscribers coming up soon, where only subscribers can be in the chat. We're looking at doing that to give extra content and value to our TikTok audience. Welcome everybody on Livestream Cafe, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, multiple websites that I'm on. Welcome to all of you. Thank you very much indeed. Lovely to have you here. And Craig, you're still here. I thought you were going off to work. What's going on? Lovely to have you here. All right, let's get straight into our trades positions and where we are right now. We are expecting a crash. That is a very, very good question. Some people think that we are. Let's have a little look and see where we are right now. If you just tune in for the very first time, click subscribe and ring the bell. Hello, everyone. Ali Tizro, how are you, mate? Good to have you here. Everyone's asking me on Facebook about Ali Tizro's tips. Did you see the videos that just came out? 2 videos. I suggest you pick them up, Ali, and put them in your Discord. 2 videos for you. There was, there you go, sold all my Bitcoin and the 10x crypto challenge. They just come out. 19 views already, 9 views already. Look, in the last few minutes, these videos have just come out. You might want to put those on your social media or put those into your Discord. It promotes what you're doing and gives all the information. There you go. And shows the journey. There you go. All right. They've just come out. All right. Let's get straight into our positions and let's see what's going on right now. Okay. We did manage to buy some cheap stocks. I'm watching Tony. He's doing a great job on TikTok. He really is. Let me just show you what I mean. This is my TikTok channel running right now. We've got Tony Mallion, who's top man. He's just become a Luca badge owner as well. There he is, and yeah, it's going pretty wild over there now with Tony. He's winning every single day at the minute. Very, very good indeed. Mike's just come over there and going, hang on a minute, do you know I'm the fan of the year? That's why I have the award and everything. All right, so let's get straight into it. The S&P is coming down. Now I'm still up on the S&P. It's still 49% of my portfolio. I'm not going to sell it. I don't see it coming down massive amounts. And I'm not going to sell it all off, hoping for the best that it doesn't go up again. I'm looking to buy some more when it goes lower. But anyway, we'll see. Virgin Galactic, this is the one. Now, I've got such a small profit in it. Some of you said, why don't you sell it? Churchy, I think, says, sell it. Take the $300 profit. It's not enough. If I had 1,000 shares, yes, I would have sold it. But I don't. So at the end of the day, we're not going to just sell every 5 minutes. I want to add more. I want 4 or 5% of my position over there on Virgin Galactic. I've got an order ready to go. Virgin Orbit, I've also got an order there. Very small amounts of profit, long-term play. Rivian, we've got a bit of a profit there right now. Looking to buy if it goes dramatically lower. Tesla, we're also looking to buy more if that goes lower as well. Lucid, we've got only 11 shares in Lucid, so we'd like to get that lower as well. Apple, I've got another $1,000 coming into the portfolio in a couple of days' time, so we'll look forward to taking advantage of that. Apple is down. It's a big part of my portfolio, as is Amazon. That's 17%, and that's the 30% of my portfolio right there, Amazon and Apple. I really believe that they are the companies of the future, and so I am holding all my positions there. Down slightly. Don't need to add any more. I've got a very big position there, but we'll see how we go. McDonald's, I'd like to get McDonald's. That's down nearly 3% today. That's a lot for McDonald's. It doesn't tend to swing very much, and I'm still up on it. It's very small profit, so I'm not looking to, and I've only got one share. I sold my position, looking to buy more when it goes down. Coca-Cola, I added to my position to today, and I'm down just 0.75%. It's come up since I bought it. Or in fact, no, it's gone down slightly since I bought it. I beg your pardon. J&J, I also believe that this is the one of the future. 22% of my portfolio is on the Roth, that is, not on my main position, on the Roth. If I go over to my brokerage account, it's only 0.72 of my portfolio. 5,000 Amazon and basically no Tesla. Yuck, says Arnold the Palmer. Arnold, how are you today? Well, yeah, there you go. Good afternoon, everyone. Says Flutter Edits. Google, I'd like to buy some more Google as well. So quite a few things I'm hoping go lower over the next week or so, and I think we're going to get it. We've had a big climb down from Walmart as well. I took profits at the top, waiting for that to fall back down, and it is. And it is. Pays a great dividend as well. Walmart, you can't go wrong. I think Walmart, like Costco, is a great stock to own, so I'm looking forward to that going lower as well. So everything's going actually quite nice to plan, to be honest. Quite happy with everything. When you get a chance, can you show the fees if you want to swap 50 USD to BTC? Yes, let's have a little look. I will do that now, Ali. This is part of Ali's sponsorship of our show. Let's have a look. So let's have a look what it would be. Looking at it right now, Ali Tizro. Let's have a look. Let's see a Roth reveal. A Roth reveal. Okay. When you, but Arnold, you're not a member, so you'll have to wait a minute. Members come first. So let's have a look. When you get a chance, can you show the fees if you want to swap 50 USD to BTC? Okay, 50 USD. So let's do it right now. 50 USD. 50 US. Let's trade. Right. Convert USD to Bitcoin. Here we go. So 50 USD to Bitcoin. How much would that cost? $1.99. So that's quite expensive, right? To send $50 to Bitcoin. You can see $1.99. So there you go. That was the answer to your question. Why are you looking? Are you looking to buy some Bitcoin now? You're starting to. How about 150? All right. How about 150? All right. 150. 100. Whoops, a daisy. 150. Let's see if it's different. 150. 150 USD to Bitcoin preview. $2.99. So obviously you can see it gets cheaper the more you do. So there you go. I'll let you decide what you want to do with my money. Do you like this? It's pretty good, isn't it? It's pretty good. That's not too bad, so Nitz Farrell said. Just checking if it's different in the US. So Ali Tizro looks like he's starting to make some moves. There you go. It's interesting. Interesting to see what he's doing. But anyway, I will tell you my portfolio would not be below $1,000. It was my mistake. I didn't move my USD to Bitcoin. Okay. Didn't we just turn Bitcoin into USD earlier? Is it because it's gone down? Is that why you're looking at it? We haven't got any Bitcoin, have we now? No. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. BTC. Anyway. Yeah, it's basically where we were this afternoon. So I can't imagine he wants me to buy it back. We've just sold Bitcoin for where it is now. Anyway, I'm sure that's not the reason. I'll leave that there and let Ali come back to what he wants to do. All right, come back to that in a bit. Let's see the Roth reveal. Nitzvereld must... Arnold, you're not a member. I have to focus on the members right now. As mentioned many times, bottom is when S&P 500 goes to 3,200 to 3,400. And we're not there yet, are we? Does it change? Just checking is different. That's not too bad. Not too bad. We will wait for a drop and might buy some. Okie dokie. All right. I went deep with Sheeb and half shaft on Doge. Martin, you take your time, old chum. Arnold the Palmer, looking for ideas. Okay. I will give you my Roth then. Here we go. So let's have a look. It's pretty quiet right now, so I can do that. But... here we go. Here is my Roth IRA. I'm trying to get to $7,000. I only started it 2 weeks ago, and we're up to $2,300, down $27 overall. We were up this morning actually, but it's pretty good. My buying power is used up. There's no buying orders. There's $32. Nothing really there, and there we go. There is my Roth IRA. Amazon is up. Tesla is up 11%. VU is up. Coinbase is up. So there you go. If I give you my allocations, and you'll see your equity. Hang on, do it this way. Last price, total percentage change. No, your equity. Your equity, today's return, total return, percentage change, last price, total percentage change. I wanted to show the I can do your equity. You can say, there you go, your equity. You can see what I've got the most of. The most of it is Coca-Cola actually, and Johnson & Johnson. And remember, this is my long-term positions. These are stocks that I believe in. I can leave for a long, long time. That is the idea. Okay, so there you go. So total percentage change, there you go. And I think we can even do a pilot. You can see there how much I put in. Anyway, I think that answers your question. Yes, many people had to cover their shorts. Last pump in stocks and crypto was due to many shorts destroyed. That was the purpose. Yes, many people had to cover their shorts. All right, welcome. Of course, Cryptos R Us didn't tell you that, did he? Just told you it's ready to go again. That's what they all do every single time. Welcome, says Family Squad. Renzori, says Queen. Hi all, how are you? Have a great week. Queen, did you see you were in the newsletter this week? You were in the newsletter, and I asked people to click on your playlist. Did you get any views from the newsletter? Let me know how you got on with that. Right. Now then, today we're here till 3 o'clock. We've got a world premiere tonight. I am singing with Sir Paul McCartney on my video. I'm very excited. This is Let It Be, and I'm actually singing with Sir Paul McCartney. I'm so excited about you seeing this video. If you've not yet left a message, shared it, done the Lucas Aids share, please go ahead and do it. Here it is. This is the video that comes out later. Let It Be, and Stephen Lewandowski has already done Lucas Loopers hashtag. Thank you very much indeed. You can see that. Look, there's Lucas Loopers using the hashtag. Thank you, Stephen Lewandowski. Excellent stuff. Top right hand corner. See it up there? And 6 likes already. This is good. It's only a short video, and it comes out in an hour from now. Hope you'll all be there and share it on your socials. All right, let's go straight back into our position. Now then, if we get 100 likes during the show, we will give away a cash prize. Yes, it significantly helped. And thanks to mine who added more comments. Mine, do you mean Mike? Thank you all. I need 7 subs to reach 360. Excellent. Mike, yes. There you go. Thanks to Mike for all the comments, for more comments. Awesome stuff. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I love it. Thank you, Mike. Mike supports everyone. I love it. All right. If you've got any questions over there on TikTok, come and join me on YouTube and I will answer your questions. That's where I answer and do the stocks for you, okay? Okay, good. I'm glad it happened. I'm glad it worked. All right. Now then, if you've just tuned in, we've got a good number of watchers. Everyone's waiting for the song. Everyone's waiting for the song to smash the like button. I can't believe it. Just been looking at MTEM. Thoughts? I've got no thoughts on that. Have we got any investors, traders here who've got any thoughts on MTEM for Glamdring UK? One of our members, so if we can support him, that would be great. I actually don't have any knowledge of it at all. MTEM, any thoughts? Moon the likes, guys. What's going on? What's moon the likes, guys? Right, okay. So let's get 30 likes in 1 minute. Are you ready? Okay, we can do this. We can do it. So are you ready? Bring a 1 minute on the clock. 1 minute, and let's do it. Let's get 30 likes in 1 minute. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There we go. There are 32 watching. 16. If we get to 100 likes during the show, we give away a cash prize. 17. There we go. Going up nicely. Rock and roll. Love it. 18, 19. Very good. That went up quick, right? There you go. So all we need is 100 likes by the end of the show, and we'll have a cash prize giveaway. All right. All right, 18 so far. Let's keep on going. There's 40 watching. We should have 40 likes right now. If we get to 100, we will give... Oh, 21 now. Excellent. All right, we're 20% there to give away a free cash prize in today's show. Excellent stuff. Social media, or put those into your... let me just bring that up to date. There we go. If you've just tuned in, tonight is my world premiere. I'm singing with Sir Paul McCartney. Literally, he'll be singing... I've managed to lip sync Sir Paul McCartney with me. As you're gonna like, hopefully you'll enjoy it. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. So that comes up today's show. All right, just in just under an hour from now. Okay. So anyway, I hope you'll all join me for the live premiere. It's always a live event. Here is the link. This video will take you directly there, or you can use the link in the chat there. All right. Okie doke. Boom, boom, chicky, chicky, boom, boom, boom. What do you think of AML Aston Martin? Aston Martin, fantastic car. One of the best things to come out of Britain. Love Aston Martin cars. I don't know about an investment though, but as far as the cars are concerned, phenomenal, of course, absolutely phenomenal. But I don't know as far as an investment, if I'm honest. Okay. Excuse me. Why do they call it rush hour when nothing moves? How's it going? That's a good one. I'll give you that one. That is a good one. I will give you that. Why do they call it rush hour when nothing moves? Here he is, Sam, in the house. Sam is a member. He's got a green badge now. He's gone from blue. No, he's gone. Is it blue to green? Yes, it is blue first, then it's green. So you'll have a yellow badge soon, Sam, and then you'll be gold and then red. Excellent stuff. All right, let's go through our positions right now. The S&P is down 1.23. Virgin Galactic is down 12% today. Heck of a drop, isn't it? 12%. It's not cheap enough for me though. It's great to see it under $5 again, but and I would like to buy some more. I do have some money available. In fact, I have $1,200 in fact available to spend if I want to spend it. But I'm not spending $1,200 on Virgin Galactic because it's too expensive right now. It's too expensive. Do badges update automatically? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Martyn's piano. Martyn's piano. We've got somebody coming in here saying some silly things. My moderators keep an eye on Martyn's piano. Not quite sure what that means. But anyway, tonight in the premiere, I'm singing with Sir Paul McCartney. Not sure why you'd say anything derogatory to that. If it's derogatory, I don't get it. But tonight, there in 54 minutes, I'm singing online with Sir Paul McCartney. And by the way, when Wings come to the US, I was auditioned to perform as Sir Paul McCartney in Wings. Sir Paul McCartney doesn't want to tour in the US with Wings anymore, and Wings auditioned me and said I could tour with them in the US when they come to the US. So a little side note there for you. Let's have a little look. Let's read some comments here. Thank you, Ali Tizro. Tesla is going to have a record sales this year. They say when you take $5,000 off the price of a car, it becomes available to twice as many people. Some models are slashed by 14 grand. That should be 8 times in people that can't buy. I'm watching Space 2. What do you need to get What do you need to get to for you to buy more? Glamdring. Honestly, at the moment, I haven't really got a number. I would just feel comfortable getting it under $4. That would be great. Under $4 would seem great. Remember, we're not basing this on anything right now. It's got no PE. It's got no profit to earnings, profit to earnings. It doesn't make any profit. So we're just speculative right now. When it starts making money, different ball game. All we want to do right now is get it for less money. That's it. All we want to do is get it cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. Now, of course, once it starts making money, different ball game. But you can't value a stock really until it makes money. It's purely speculative at this point. I like it, want it. That's why I hold it. It's still 3% of my portfolio. It's not insignificant. However, I would like to get it cheaper. I would like to get it cheaper than this. I would, in a perfect world, like to get it and bring my average down again. But we shall see what happens. We shall see. It's not a demand problem. They are finally ramping up production. This was always in the works. Prices or raw materials have got cheaper. They pass that on to the retail buyer. This is all good, says Ali Tizro. I like all of that. So Tesla is getting cheaper and cheaper. We're not going to see it round these prices much longer. I know that. I know that. So got more money coming in a couple of days. I do want a bigger position of Tesla because I've got not enough. I've got more Rivian than Tesla. That's crazy, right? I would like to triple my size of Tesla. And in the next few days, I'll have another $1,000. If we can see Tesla going a bit lower before it goes higher, that'll be great. I don't think it means they're desperate at all. Ford can't do that, Church. Ford can't. They've got no margins. The margins that are in Tesla's production are so great that they can lower the price of the cars and still make profit and sell more cars. It's why they're years ahead of the competition. Feel bad for all those who just bought a Tesla. Well, there is that, I suppose. Order 66, Martyn, for insulting the BSV community and misunderstanding its use. Coffee to the world. Here we go. Here's our BSV friends who have just come in and made a statement. Order 66, Martin, for insulting the BSV community. How ridiculous is that? This is what I said to the BSV community. They invited me into their chat on my Sunday afternoon. I courteously respected and went into their meeting, and all they did was swear and shout and cuss and curse and God knows what else at me. Hardly gave me word to speak. I simply said I've sold my BSV because it's not being promoted on Robinhood anymore, and apparently that offended everybody. Absolutely ridiculous, and it's why the BSV community will, in my opinion, fail. Because as we've proved here, with the highest engagement rate of any channel in the world on YouTube, 95% of our live viewers are members, and I wanted to help the BSV community. I wanted to help the technology because the technology is good. However, the people behind it just shout and swear at each other and curse and say that humans aren't even important, apparently. I was told that unless you belong on the blockchain, you don't exist. Your audience, your live audience don't count. It just counts you from the blockchain. They're talking like robots and very silly cult-like-ish people. I tried to support it, couldn't, and went into their invitation and got insulted. And now apparently I have insulted the BSV community for misunderstanding its use. How on earth can you insult the BSV community by misunderstanding its use? All I said was, I'm selling it because I can't share it and show it to my viewers. That is honesty and decency and integrity. And for some reason, the BSV community thinks that's insulting them. How ridiculous is that? Oh well, they'll never learn. It's why no one's buying BSV. It's why it's not going anywhere, because they're just fighting each other and they'll end up with zero. Anyway, we'll keep growing and they can keep shrinking. I tried to help. They don't want to know. Let's have a little look. Let's read some more comments. Ford don't have a billionaire that trashes money. That's very true. Very, very true. Tesla is not shielded from these times. No company is. I agree with that. Elon is a scammer. Elon is a liar. He's been proved 3 times to have lied about his shares. That's a fact. We're not going to just make up stories. That's a fact. Someone you believe Tesla is not a risk like somehow you believe Tesla. No, I don't. Never said that at all. Everyone is vulnerable to the markets. Exactly the same. Hi there. Tizro, BSV was a scam since its inception. That's Mr. Clockwork's comment, not mine. I'm just sharing the comments. Tesla pays no dividend and trades like a more seasoned meme stock. True, it doesn't pay a dividend and does trade badly. You're right there. I never lost any money on Ford. Really? Lots of people lost money in Tesla. True. Lots of people lost so much money in Ford. Yeah, how can you not have lost money in Ford? I don't know how that's possible. Anyway, have you got any shares in Tesla? Yeah, just 7 right now. I've sold them and buying them back slowly. Got 7 right now. Know when to buy and to sell, says Church. Wouldn't be surprised if Ford goes bankrupt in 10 years. That's Ali Tizro's comment. I don't know about that. Do you think it's possible Elon is playing character like Trump 2.0? I bought Ford at 2020 bottom. Congratulations for Church. He's absolutely right. Timing is everything. We all know that. We all know timing is everything. I would have welcomed back an honest reply from my BSV guest, but I never got one. Sadly, that's what happens. They attack you with nonsense. You give them facts and then they run away. Happens every single time. I would have welcomed an intelligent debate, but I'm afraid I'm not going to get one. Let's have a look and see where we're at now. 38 watching, 24 likes. Okay, if we can get to 100 likes, we will give away a cash prize on today's show. Let's run to a quick commercial break. I'll see you back in just 10 seconds from now. Here we go. You can be in this space if you are a YouTuber, a member of our channel. This is where we run our commercials. And right now, we've got a little word from our sponsor, is Ali Tizro. We've got several videos that went on today about Ali Tizro's challenge. And there we go, 1,000 to 10,000 or 7,000 to 100,000 or any amount in between. This is his link to his channel. Ali, you can post your Discord link in the channel if you want to go directly there, or you can use my Discord server, which I will put in the link for you, and you will also then get a 15% discount. You can go directly to him, or you can use my discount code. It's entirely up to you through our Discord server. All right, that's for all our members. All right, basically you get my membership for free. If you don't want that, go direct. The 1,000 challenge, let's have a quick look at my portfolio on Coinbase. It still hasn't got any action. Don't get excited. We started at $1,000. It would actually be up $13. It was my mistake. I didn't turn Bitcoin into USDC. I sold all my Bitcoin today. I put a video out about it. Ali, if you want to go and share these videos and put them around, these are your videos today. That should help your project. Let me share with you. There we go. Sold all my Bitcoin and 10x crypto challenge. There it is for you on the screen. I've sold all my Bitcoin, gone, finished at the moment, and we'll buy it back at the right time. That's BTC, of course, Bitcoin, not BSV. I'm going to be absolutely clear about that. Okay, there we go. All right, and this is where we are right now. We haven't moved our $1,000 yet off cash. It's in cash and USD, as you can see. No crypto at the moment. We're waiting to deploy because we believe it's going down a lot lower. I got another silly comment this morning from the BSV community. It's like honestly, it's like a cult, really. I got a message this morning going, all traders are idiots, and apparently you're supposed to hold it even if it goes down. So we're looking to make money, not lose money. I don't know who is, but apparently I'm an idiot for selling or looking to sell my Bitcoin because I know it's going down. I mean, I don't understand that. But anyway, I'll just lose money on purpose to join a club. I think Tesla is overvalued like almost everything in the market, but I also see Tesla being the most valuable company in the world. I'm with you on that, Ali. I'm with you on that. A lot of stocks are overpriced, but they're priced to grow into the share price, right? A lot of people have got ahead of themselves. We do it all the time, I'm afraid. Great opportunity to buy some more space. This is a crazy sell-off. It is a crazy sell-off. However, remember, high-risk stocks sell off first, and they also come back first as well. So we have to remember that. Let's not get too carried away with ourselves, though. At the moment, Virgin Galactic doesn't make any money. Speculative is not a swear word. It's not a bad word. It just means they're pre-revenue. All right, they bring in income, but they don't make any profits. They're investing right now. I believe in Virgin Galactic, but we want to get the right price. You don't just buy any stock at any price just because you like it. We're not joining fan clubs, all right? We are trying to make money. And yes, it's great that it's sold back like this. It's great. Would have been even better if I'd sold it at the top, but I had no intention of doing that with such a small amount. If it would have been 2,000 shares, yes, I would have sold half. But 200, no point at all. Yes, Church, remember I pay 20% taxes, so would be no point. Yes, Church, it's great. Church Logic, I lost and won a lot in the market. Some people will learn the hard way, trading off hunches and believing what everyone else says about Ford, but have no proof. I think Tesla is overvalued like almost everything, says Ali. I love my Brits, Ed Nevius. Lewis, space is a pump and dump scheme created by Sir Richard and Mr. Clockwork. We shall see. Can we dominate Tesla all-time graph to Ford all-time graph? this was due. Can we see Ford all-time graph compared to Tesla all-time graph? Not during my show today, no. We could do it on Discord easily, but not on here, no. It would take lots of different screens and stuff, but I don't have that to hand. Know when to buy and sell. It's that simple. Yeah, but no one does, though. No one does. People like making the predictions afterwards, but the reality is nobody knows when it's the right time to buy and when it's the right time to sell. We're just guessing at best. Okay. Let me just check my TikTok. Musk says Ford is going bankrupt. Musk says a lot of things. I.O. Fryer. Musk says a lot of things. Tesla's great. Elon Musk does lie a lot, though. Can we Ford then Tesla on Robinhood? Can we Ford then Tesla on Robinhood? I see. We can do Ford over the last 5 years. Ford is down over the last 5 years 6.32. So there's no money to be made on Ford right now other than day-to-day trading and swing trading. It's down over 5 years. I mean, it's quite clear. It's quite clear to see. There it is. Whereas if we look at Tesla over 5 years, it's a very different chart, right? Hang on a minute. What happened there? Hang on. What's going on here? Oops. Hang on. Let me just duplicate that a second. I've just lost one of my screens. Let me do that again. TSLA. Just bear with me. So, yeah, I mean, you can't argue with the facts. I mean, facts are facts. They are what they are. Rio Tinto is up but going back today. There you go. Ford over 5 years is down 6.27. 6.24. That's a fact. This is so annoying. Why on earth can't I just show... Oh, there we go. Tesla over 5 years is up 469%. It's not even in the same realm, is it? Really? I mean, what can you say about that? One's down 5%, a legacy company, and one is up 469. You can't compare the two, though. That's not a lot. Church, it's not a lot over 5 years. What do you mean? A legacy company over 5 years is down 6%. Over 5 years. Over 5 years, not over 5 minutes. Over 5 years, the company has shrunk and gone down. That's not much. Well, if I'd bought Ford 5 years ago and I was down 5%, 5 years later, I wouldn't regard that as a good investment. I mean, I could have got more money in my piggy bank. I mean, what do you mean it's not much? Yeah, if you started in April 2020, you've done very well. Absolutely, no question about it. Well, if you got into Ford last week, you've done all right as well. But I think a company should be judged over 5 years. In fact, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. We should keep going back. I mean, do you buy Ford for 5 minutes or do you buy it as a legacy car company? It's down over 5 years. I don't know why you get so passionate about a stock. The facts are the facts. I mean, we're just looking at it. I mean, it's clear as day, isn't it? I mean, I don't know. If you bought Ford in 2005, you'll be down 98%. If you bought Ford in 2005, you'll be down 98%. Church, what do you say to that? I mean, what do you say to that, church? You bought Ford in 2005 and you're down 98%. Volkswagen is also down. Well, let's not finger point every other rubbish company. What does that mean? Well, they're down as well. They're down as well. So it doesn't matter. I'm not really sure I get. So it's a bad stock because you didn't trade it right. Yet I don't see any of you up for. Hang on, church. We've just said if you bought it in 2005, you're down 98%. You're down 5% since last 5 years. What do you mean? How you can't trade that right or wrong, can you? Anyway, I bought BTC in 2016. Anyway, Ali's up 1,000% on Tesla. I'm not going on about this. Well, church, I mean, with the greatest respect, let's just talk about the facts. You might have an opinion on Ford and love Fords and love the company and, I don't know, love the colour blue. I mean, whatever. But let's talk about the facts. I mean, it's not a good investment for anybody, is it? Unless you scalped it a week ago or a month ago or whatever. But as a long-term investment, Ford proof is not good right now, is it? I mean, I've had Fords all my life. I like them. But like I said, I watch Netflix. I'm just not I'm just not an investor. Why is someone so passionate about a stock? It's just a number on a screen. I like Fords. I got friends who work at Ford in England. I used to have my big Ford truck. Got a lot of friends who work there. I like everyone who work at Ford. I like everything about it. I like the car. I've had some nice Ford Fiestas, Transit vans, you name it. But as an investment, not very good. Anyway, I mean, you know, it's just a fact, isn't it? I mean, trading versus let's have a look. Not even mentioning we had 3 recessions. Well, yeah, we had 3 recessions. I agree with you. Yeah, no question about it. The world's in a right state. No question about it. So we're going to blame every stock on every macro circumstance, are we? So it's got nothing to do with the company. Blame it on somebody else. It's got nothing to do with me. I am rubbish because what? I mean, you could put it this way, church. I'm a YouTuber and I'm growing every day, and yet we're in a recession. My YouTube channel isn't being suffered by a recession, is it? It's growing all the time because I'm doing a good job, right? We're in a recession. Ever since I started this show, my portfolio has been coming down. We've been in the worst recession ever. I came into the stock market right at the top, and I've been losing money ever since. Down, 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 down. But my product, my service is growing. So I've managed to grow during a recession. You can't just go, I'm blaming the war. I'm blaming Vladimir Putin for everything. Anyway, I don't understand how you can say it's a good investment. I think everyone just had that stock or two they love. We're all guilty. Yeah, we are. We're all guilty of it. I totally agree. I used to be. I hope now I'm not. That's why I rebalanced twice. I hope now I'm not, because it's so blinkered to be like that. Trading versus investing, short-term gains or growth. We need that video on this. You're in violent agreement. Violent agreement. I like that. That's good. You guys are very basic when it comes to the market. What do you mean very basic? You're making it basic by saying it's a good investment. You're just going, it's up. When everyone else is going, it ain't. It's down. It's clear as mud. It's clear as mud. Fact, Ford's always been a terrible investment in long-term position. Yeah. I don't hold VW or Ford, but there's certainly cyclability to it like any other sectors. Depends if you can play it. You can't marry a stock or crypto. That's the biggest mistake an investor can make. This guy buys Rivian and Lucid and then can't produce as much as Tesla either. Logic stinks. This guy buys Rivian and Lucid and they can't produce as much as Tesla either. No, that's true. That's true. First car in 1965, Ford Galaxy. I had 2, a silver one and a purple one. Fix or repair daily, says Mr. Clockwork. BS, what did BS? They could have sold Ford at 25 a share, January 2022, plus all those dividends since payout if they bought at 10 in 2025. Yeah, we're talking about a long-term position if you kept it. We know you can scalp trade any stock. You can buy the worst company in the world. You can buy Mullen and make money. You can buy DWAC, Donald Trump, and make money. You can make money in any stock you want. You can make money at the casino. We're not going to all go, let's invest in red, are we? Show me where Ford hasn't made any money this year, says Church of Logic. If you can't recover after a recession, then it's not a good company. It doesn't matter if Ford makes money, if the stock's not going up, I'm not making money, right? The worst recession ever someone was not trading in 2008, says Church. George Semaine, people are too hung up in the portfolio today. It's all about portfolio value when you need to use that value. No, it's all correct. It's where the value is when you need it. Absolutely. It doesn't matter. We want agree to disagree. That's all, Ed Nevius. Yeah. Let's all agree to disagree. Yeah. How can Ford go bankrupt if it's making profit and there's a steady cash flow? It loses money on its cars. I don't know how it makes profit, but anyway, I'm sure it makes profit, Ford. Church, you know more about it than I do. Let's agree to disagree, right? You love Ford. It's a great investment. You can make money on anything. You can make money on anything. We're talking about long-term investing in that conversation. Let's have a little look. The S&P is down 1.5. We're still up on the S&P. Virgin Galactic down 13%. We're getting hell of a drops today. So anyway, let's bring everybody up to date. We've got day trader of the day as well. A lot going on today. So let's get ready to go. Let's do a quick. We've got only 50 minutes to go before the bell goes. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. So anyway, here we go. Let's do a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, as a YouTube member, as a what's the word I'm looking for? Sponsor, you can be in this space. I nearly forgot what I was going to say then. And I'll put your links below all the videos. And Ali Tizro, you'll see your links are below all the videos. Okay. Virgin Galactic still going down. 13% in a day. I was up 30%. I'm not at all worried about it. It's a very small part of my portfolio. It's hardly making any difference. What I am excited about is getting McDonald's if it goes much lower, also Coca-Cola if it goes much lower, and J&J if it goes much lower, and also Google if it goes much lower. Amazon, I've got plenty of it. Make your millions, bruv, says... let's keep it all nice, guys. Come on, we got moderators on moderators here. Let's keep it nice. I don't care about your pockets, Church. Well, we want to care about the money we make. Isn't that what the channel's about? I want to make some money. I'm not here to lose money. I'm not joining a fan club of anything. I just want to make some money. I just want to make $200,000 so I can support my wife in Cornwall in England when I'm old. That's it. And no one's going to come and give me a badge from any company and go, well, thank you ever so much for supporting our company and holding our shares and not selling it. I just want to be able to buy some bread. That's all I want to do and put the electric on. So if we're not here to make money, I don't know what we're doing. We're here as family and friends, enjoy the company. And we're also here to make some money, right? I mean, isn't that the idea? Ali won't say how much he lost in crypto. Is that right? I'm sure he will. Ali, how much have you made and lost in crypto? I mean, I can't speak for anybody else. I can only speak for myself. You all know how much I've lost and made. mainly lost. Church saying crypto junk and Ali saying for junk. It's a difference of opinion. Yeah, come on, guys. Why we got Ali and Church going at it? What's going on? Rumor has it that VMS Eve will be back flying from Spaceport from Mojave next week. Pete Barker, you've made these statements before, Pete. And there is no evidence of that, I can't verify you. I can't verify your comments. You could be a bot. That's why I've asked you to become a member. So if you're a member, you can share the links on the Discord. We've got people coming in here saying all kinds of things. I always call it out unless I can verify it. It's absolutely key to verify anyone's information. It's why I did Ross Gerber's video. Making up stories and trying to manipulate the facts. Snow in Cornwall today. Yeah, I saw that outside of my Ring camera. I looked out the window and looked at it. Heat map, all red. Shall I have a look at the heat map? Yes, good idea. Let's look at a heat map and let's get warmed up, shall we? We'll get warmed up on the heat map. You ready? Okay, here we go. Here's the heat map. Look at this for that. You want to see that? There you go. Feel better now? There you go. You feel better now, don't you? Right. Shorts got destroyed by institutions, and now another round is forming. I like in a £1 million house. I'm 20 and I've made 100 grand last bull run. Didn't lose it all either. I'm doing pretty well. Thank you very much, says Ali Tizro. There we go. Good for you. Anyway, screw emotions and let's get back. Let's get bank as a team. Yes, come on, people. Let's have some positivity here. Mullen is a better investment than Ford and Space. LOL, says Nitz Farrell. I can't agree with that, but you're entitled to your opinion. Not much heat on that map. Like a weather map here at the moment. Yeah, I know. That's pretty much full on, right? Let's have a look. Can we get a poll? Martin, will we get a flash crash tomorrow at the opening bell? Well, I'm ready if we do, and I've been prepared for it now for weeks. 3 weeks of going up, not buying very much, buying a little bit here and there, but essentially holding on to my cash. I've still got I've got another $1,000 coming in 2 days, and as you can see on the screen, I'll share with you. I've got 1,200. Whoops, let's have a look. Get rid of that a minute. Don't get loaded up with too much emotion. I know. Look, $1,200 ready to spend. It's on orders, on all-time lows. If we get a flash crash tomorrow, yeah. Interest in Microsoft is getting hammered on layoffs. Usually helps the stock price. Crazy, right? Everything's going down. So there's my cash on hand, ready to deploy if we get some big drops. More coming along the way. All right. 6 months of downside. Pin that, says Ed Nevius. Bear hunting season is open. There we go. Someone said do a poll, right? Someone wanted a poll. Okay. Here we go. We've got 8 minutes to go. Let's do a quick poll. Start a poll, and the poll is flash crash. Let's have a look. Flash crash coming. Flash crash coming. Yes or no? That's when you wake up and everything goes boom, down 20%. Just so we know what a flash crash is. Flash crash is not you're not down 2% on your crypto. We're talking 10% across the board, 10, 15, even 20% across the board, right? That's a flash crash, just so we all know what a flash crash is. Hello, Jason Fallon. LOL clock. It's already happening, says Nitz Farrell. He's going, what are you not seeing? It's already happening. But we're only down 1.5% today, so it's not happened, does it? It's not happened. It's not happened. Steady on, guys. Ali and Church. Let's calm down a minute. I mean, we're all mates. We're all friends. We're all family. We're all here every day. Let's not get hung up on whether Ford's good or not. It doesn't make a damn bit of difference. It's the stock. That's it. I'm not saying. I mean, we're not going around going, I don't like your car. Oh, I don't like your car. I mean, we're not 3 years old, are we? I mean, who cares? I ain't even got a car. Does anyone like my can of Coke? Is anything wrong with this? I like it. If you don't like it, it doesn't matter. It's me who's drinking it. Somebody here might go, I prefer Pepsi. Crack on then. Doesn't matter, does it? My dad's bigger than your dad. We're having some fun. I hope we're having some fun. Anyway, it's good, isn't it? I like it. It's a way for everyone to have a little fight without actually getting into it. Anyway, what we looking at now? My gosh. Right, Virgin Galactic is at its first little uptick for an hour or so. What do you think? Is it worth buying it at $4.92, or are we waiting to get it? See, if I buy it at $4.92, I'm buying it 20% more than my average. I don't have to own Virgin Galactic at that price. I don't. I'm not saying it won't go down. It might well go down. I don't know. It's still a good discount, 12% than it was, but we don't know, right? Whip them up, out. I lose diabetic issues. This market has found no buyers today, and unusual not to have any bounce at all. 22. Don't worry, be happy. Always look on the bright side of life. I'm about to sell everything again. Why? What? After it's down 15%? Oh my God. Another pump and then boom. But who knows, right? Absolutely. Who knows? Not married. I just know what I'm doing. Ford does not decline the same as Tesla did these past 3 months. Let me get one thing straight. Whether you are a Tesla fan or a Ford fan, can we all agree the reason why Tesla went down was not because no one's buying the cars are rubbish, Ford is better than Tesla, I've got a bigger car, you got a smaller car, I have no idea. Tesla went down for one reason and one reason alone. Okay? And I'm talking about 90% of the downside. Some downside is caused by other things, but 90% was caused by Elon Musk buying Twitter. He sold so many stocks, told everybody he wouldn't. People lost faith in Elon Musk. People sold out because of Elon Musk, not because of Tesla. Can we all agree on that? Okay? It's got nothing to do with who's best, Ford or Tesla. Buying any car makers is bonkers at the moment, I think, says 22, because of the interest rates. Is that what we're talking about? No one's going to buy new cars, right? Tesla isn't just a car company. Correct, it isn't. Ford is a car company. Tesla is a technology company, a battery company, a solar company, a robotic company, an AI company, an insurance company. Absolutely. Much, much more. Anyway, moving along with 2 minutes to go. Ed, Church, I've not written anything off that you've said. I just don't want to buy shares in a gaming company. It doesn't interest me. Could be the best company in the world. I used to have an Xbox. To be fair, I've never had a Nintendo. I used to have an Xbox. It was all right. Not that bothered. I'm not a gamer. I don't get excited about owning or want to own Nintendo or any games company. I'm not in. It could be great, and I get what you say, recession-proof. Maybe it is. I haven't ignored you. I just don't want to buy it. I just don't want to buy any for no reason. No reason at all. There's 1,000 things to choose from. I'm just not choosing a games console. I don't know why. No reason why not. I just ain't. I can't tell you why. All right, here we go. 1 minute to go. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. I told you about it when it was 0.76 TMPO, and you did not look at it well. This drop in the market, starting to think about recession on those retail numbers, I think. Still have an original Nintendo, but they'll put $500 in a coin that came from a CPU AI. Did you buy anything today, Martin? A couple of Coke, one J&J, I think, maybe $500. Earnings reports round the corner. Yep. Leah's in the house. There you go. Behave yourselves. My wife's coming now. No more cussing. Here we go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, Coca-Cola. Yeah, because they're defensive stocks. They're great stocks. They have good dividends. They make money. They make profits. They're solid. Amazon, any of that stuff. I bought a little bit of that today. All-time lows. A couple matched my all-time lows. Didn't go any lower. I've got buy orders set for those stocks as well at all-time lows. Yeah, all good. Right, the bella's gone. Let's have a little look and see where we're going. We're still going down on the S&P. We've got some way to go, I think. Virgin Galactic is just gone up slightly in the after hours. I've got buy orders. Virgin Orbit, I've got buy orders. Rivian, I'm not buying anymore. Got enough. Lucid, I've got buy orders at silly low prices. Apple, I've got enough. Don't need to own anymore. Just give it some time. Give patience. Tesla, I'm up 14%. I've only got 5 shares in the brokerage, 2 in the Roth. Keeping the Roth. Tesla, I'm just holding it, giving it time. Amazon, I think that's a top stock for this year. I've got 17% of Amazon in my portfolio. Amazon, I like Amazon a lot. I am down a bit, but not much. McDonald's, the same. I'm looking to add more. I love Church and how passionate he is. Love all the family. There you go. Everyone loves everybody. Hug it out. Hug it out, boys. I love it. All right. Okay. Day trader of the day. Coca-Cola. Oh, lovely. It's hit 59. It's hit 59. Right. I want to get some more of this. I want to get some more Coca-Cola. It's hit 59 in my brokerage and my Roth. These are very defensive stocks. I've got no money to buy any more in my Roth. That is down now 2.85. I'd like to buy more. It's at 61. I haven't got any more available money there. In my brokerage account, I have money. If I cancel my orders, I can pick this up. But I think tomorrow morning we could get a bit lower. And I've got buy orders there, so we'll let that ride. And we'll just let it. We'll just take emotion out of it and just let it sit there. And same with J&J. Look, I've got 168. Oh, that's getting close as well. That's getting close as well to buying some more. Nice. Just let it play out, you know. Don't suddenly get emotional. Just let it play out. If you can get it lower, that's awesome. Same with Microsoft. Anyway, wish you a nice evening. So, guys, in just a few minutes' time, here is the world premiere. I want everyone to see this and share it. I'm singing with Sir Paul McCartney, and you can actually see Sir Paul McCartney singing with me. I really like this. This took a bit of work to get this right. There it is. If you stay where you are, it'll go directly to it. This is the video. There's Sir Paul in the video, look. And if you're over there on TikTok and you want to see me sing with Sir Paul McCartney, there it is. We've got 8 likes already. Stephen Lewandowski, Lucas Loopers are already in. Bill, thank you. Share it on your social media with the hashtag Lucas Loopers. And I'm excited. So let's do day trader of the day. I'm really interested in what your thoughts are on this video, guys. Amazon workers set to strike 25th January. Could see a further drop. Ooh. All right. So then, Let's do day trader of the day. We've only got a few moments before the end of the show. Did we get 100 likes? I don't think so. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button. If we get to 100 likes, we are giving away a cash prize. Why isn't my subscribe button working? Oh, there it is. That took a while, didn't it? Bloody hell. Anyway, what's going on? Right, we got 27 likes, 40 people watching. Smash the like button. Oh my gosh, me things are broken. I hate when this happens. When the computer, look, it gets all glitchy. It's got all glitchy on me. Let's get out of there a minute and see if we can fix the screen. I sold Microsoft, Google, says George Semaine. Okay, day trader of the day. Wow. Okay, we are down today 1.72%. Let's give a minute on the clock. And you ready? Let's get the timer up. Let's have a little look. Down 1.72. Down 1.92. Nitz Farrell just put a load of money. Everyone loves you when making money. Making one or two mistakes can hurt your hard work. Understand, Ali? Yeah, oh yeah, indeed. That's very true. Yes, I know, Ed. Thanks for what you do. I learn a lot from Ed. Always learning. Always learning. If you have a minute, pull up S&P chart from 2022 and see how accurate the top channel is on the candle chart daily. It rejected it today. Again, I'm running out of time now, I'm afraid, 22. Ask me again tomorrow, please. Down 6.05. Down 3.74. Up. Portland Trailblazers is up today. I think he's our winner, no question about it. Portland Trailblazers, congratulations to you. Thank you for your honest trades. There is Portland Trailblazers, awesome stuff. Very, very good indeed. And give him a thumbs up as well. Very, very nice. Well done to you. Let's give him the sound effects. There we go. Portland Trailblazers. All right. Congratulations, Port. And Emmanuel Teal. Got another guest here today, down 3.52. Right, we've come to the end of the show. It's world premiere time. Come and join me as I literally sing with Paul McCartney. I was able to get some footage of me from one of my theatre pianos, also with Sir Paul McCartney, and I was able to sing the song with Sir Paul in front of me, and it looks like Sir Paul is singing with my voice. I hope you like it. I hope you share it. Leave a comment below. I'll see you all back in the morning. And don't forget, below every one of our videos are the links to Ali Tizro's Discord, my Discord as well. If you are a YouTube member, if you want to sign up for that service, you can use my Discord on Ali Tizro's tips if you're a YouTube member, and you'll get a lifetime 15% discount with me. If, however, you want Ali's services and you don't want to be a YouTube member and you don't want a 15% discount, I don't know why, because it basically gives my membership for free, then you can link on Ali Tizro's. Ali, post your link in the chat now. It's also below the every video that I put out from now on. Okay. Okay, I have a pic of what this is. Sick is talking about in general chit chat. Please have a quick look before the show ends. Okay, general chit chat on in my server. Yeah. Okie dokie. I was requested to do this. Here we go. Ali Tizro has shared this. Okay. This is what Sick22 wanted to see. So. Whoops, here it is. This is what you wanted to see, apparently. There we go. A chart just been done by Ali. Thank you very much indeed. So you can see Ali knows all about his charts. This is what you are subscribing to should you wish to take up this premium service. Anyway, there you go. Take a screenshot of that. Zoom in. Are you able to push us all into the live lounge? Yes, I am. You'll all go there directly. Also, here is the link. If it doesn't work, here is the link. But the moment this video ends, it'll take you to the world premiere of Let It Be with Sir Paul McCartney and myself. For those of you who don't know, actually, as I say earlier, I actually auditioned with Wings. And when Wings come to the US, they asked me to tour with them because Sir Paul McCartney doesn't want to do it in the US anymore. They've asked me to do it. So there you go. That's a genuine thing there. See you soon. Take care, mate. Cheers, Ali. That's it. We need to do the credits, and then I'll end the show, and you'll all disappear right down the tunnel of love, and you'll and you'll end up there. So let me get ready to end my live stream at Cafe and send all my audience down the magic tunnel. Have you ever seen this before? This is a little feature we have on live stream at Cafe. When I end my show, look, I can end the show and send, if anyone is streaming live, I can send my audience to another artist. See, if I end the show, send viewers, if there's someone live, and unfortunately there isn't, so I can't send to anybody. But that's how, if anybody here was streaming, any of like Shad or Caden or anyone, if you were streaming, I'd better share all my audience with you. It's very, very cool. And then I can start a deja vu video of my YouTube channel and keep gaining subscribers and airtime and watch time. Don't get this on any other platform. Alright, anyway, let's come back to here. Take care, everyone. Congratulations. Join my Discord. There it is, Ali Tizro. If you want to join his Discord, you can. That's our sponsor, Ali Tizro. Awesome stuff. Alright, thank you much indeed. I'm going to end the show. It'll take you directly there to the Paul McCartney video. I can't wait for your reactions. So I'll see you all back in the morning. The markets are continually going down. I've got buy orders placed everywhere. You never know. In the morning, I might have spent my $1,200, and I'm buying defensive. I'm buying stocks that are inflationary. Coca-Cola, J&J. I'm getting Google. And nice. That's it. All right. I'll see you back in the morning. Come and join me now for the live premiere. And until then, have a wonderful evening. See you back in the morning. Be nice to each other. It's fun, right? Until then, let's have some Paul McCartney music. Take care of yourselves and each other.